Yes, students, so welcome to today's class. And in today's class, we are going to take the examples of the article writing. Article writing, the topic whose introduction and its format and the steps to be taken care of while writing article have been explained and taken up in yesterday's class. In today's class, we'll see some solved examples and make the article writing more clear and more understandable to us. So see, now we are taking up some solved examples. The first one is, many children get nervous before the board exams. It relates to many of you. Maybe हो सकता है यार what students I have इनको इनके साथ ये topic ना relate करे, but many of the students this topic relates with them. So many children get nervous before the board exams, which affects their health and performance. Good counseling is needed to help them overcome what is called exam fever. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on need for counseling for board exams. You are Mallika and Mihir. Okay. So need for counseling before board exams. Now this is the topic. आपको भी पता है board exam से पहले many of us get in stress. हम में से बहुत से लोग stress में आ जाते हैं before our exams. So it's very important how to get de-stressed. De-stressed के लिए you need to have a counseling. Okay, that counseling can be done by a professional counselor or that counseling can be even done by your parents. Self counseling bhi hoti hai. So counseling, it's very much needed. So the topic for today is need for counseling before board exams. And byline, that is byline hota hai the author. Who's the author of it? The names are given. Nahi ho to use your names, but if it's given तो आप यही name use करोगे. So what's the name given here? मलिका और मिहिर. सो हम यहाँ पे किसको लेंगे? मिहिर को. गर्ल्स कैन टेक मलिका ऑल्सो. ओके, सुनना, इसको समझना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, मजा आएगा बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं इसको खुद से रिलेट कर पाओगे. कुछ होंगे यहाँ पे ब्रिलियंट्स बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, उनको कोई एग्जाम फीवर वगैरह नहीं आता है. कुछ होंगे जिनको आ भी जाता है. सो बोथ दोनों होते हैं यहाँ पे, है ना. मिक्स ऑफ ऑल होता है हमारे पास, मिक्स ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स. सो द सेम थिंग इज हियर. So now listen, when board exams approach, schools work hard to prepare their students for succeeding in them. Extra classes are held, more assignments are given, and mock tests called pre-boards are held. But what many schools do not attempt is devising mechanism to de-stress the children by organizing workshops or counseling sessions. For this task, they need the help of professional counselors. Such counselors identify students who are stressed and help them release the anxiety and fear factor attached with exams. Such students' anxiety levels automatically starts building up during this part of the year. The system has become so competitive that despite the schools not wanting to burden children with studies, they end up allowing students to enroll for coaching classes and tuitions. So see क्या होता है, when board exams are approaching, schools बहुत hard work करते हैं to prepare the students to get succeeded in the exams. Extra classes की जाती है, more assignments are given to the children, and mock test भी कराए जाते हैं that are known as pre-boards are held. Okay, what many schools do not attempt is कि वो एक ना de-stress mechanism नहीं devise करती हैं for the students. And वो de-stress mechanism किसके through हो सकता है? Workshops or the counseling sessions, either by the workshops or by the counseling sessions. For this task, they need help of professional counselors. ये जो counselors होते हैं ना, they identify the students who are stressed and help them release the anxiety and the fear factor that is attached with the exams. ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स का जो एंजाइटी लेवल होता है ना, इट ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट्स बिल्डिंग अप ड्यूरिंग दिस पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. होता है साल भर वो मजे में रहते हैं, एग्जाम आते आते दे गेट स्ट्रेस्ड अप, तो होने लग जाता है, ये ऑटोमेटिक हो जाती हैं ये चीजें. नाउ द सिस्टम हैज बिकम सो कॉम्पिटिटिव दैट डिस्पाइट द स्कूल्स नॉट वांटिंग टू बर्डन द चिल्ड्रन विद स्टडीज, फिर भी दे एंड अप अलाउइंग द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर कोचिंग क्लासेस एंड फॉर ट्यूशन क्लासेस. अभी मैक्सिमम देख लो, आप खुद देखो, यू नो इट योरसेल्फ. मैक्सिमम जो बच्चा है, either it's taking school classes or not, they are busy on their coaching and tuitions, right? तो हम कितना भी अपने आप को डिस्ट्रेस करना चाहें, कितना भी अपने आप को इजी गोइंग रखना चाहें, बट स्टिल वी वांट टू कीप आवरसेल्व्स अनबर्डन्ड, बट स्टिल वी आर एनरोल्ड फॉर कोचिंग क्लासेस एंड ट्यूशंस एंड वी बर्डन आवरसेल्व्स. सो जितना ज्यादा आप बर्डन में रहोगे ना, यू आर गोइंग टू have the fear of your exam, that is more, उतना ही ज्यादा आपके अंदर fear आने वाला है. Parents even can help their children in guiding them rather than controlling them. The following simple tips, they should ensure a positive environment at homes besides helping the child to balance the activities in the day. Too much of studying is not productive. Providing healthy food and snacks during the day and make sure that the child is able to relax during the day and ensuring proper sleep at night for him. Parents need to understand that they also have to sacrifice on outing or parties and be there when their child needs them. Stop comparing them with other kids and avoid these statements which create anxieties or fears. Parents must understand the exam is just another event in our life and not a monster or something to be afraid of. Now, na very clear एक thing है कि take exams easy going. Exams क्या है? It's part of your life. आप इस दुनिया में आए हो, you want to get educated, you want to be successful, so you have to understand that one factor on which your life depends is exam. It is just an event जो आपकी लाइफ में होगा. If you want to get educated, अगर आपको पढ़ लिख के बड़ा बनना है तो exams are to be happened और exams इसीलिए. Exam is not at all a monster. वो कोई monster नहीं है जिससे कि आप डर जाते हो. No, not at all. You don't need to be worried by this monster. So parents can help their children in guiding them. Parents help कर सकते हैं अपने बच्चे को in guiding them rather than controlling them. कि उनको control करे, better है guide them. Do not control them, guide them. And following simple tips. कुछ simple tips को follow करो. They should ensure a positive environment. वो एक positive environment build करेंगे in the home. Beside helping the child to balance the activities in the day. That is उन्हें healthy food provide करो, snacks दो उन्हें during the daytime and make sure कि वो लोग क्या कर सकें that the child is able to relax during the day and ensuring proper sleep at night. And at night time they should have proper sleep. Parents need to stop comparing them. Parents need what? They need to stop comparing with what? कि वो अपने बच्चे को दूसरों से कंपेयर ना करें and they should stop going for outings and parties because they should understand that child needs them. उनके बच्चे को उनकी जरूरत है और वो उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें. वो ऐसी स्टेटमेंट्स को अवॉइड करें जो बच्चों में एंजाइटीज या फिर फियर डेवलप करें. पेरेंट्स को समझना होगा कि बच्चों के लिए एग्जाम सिर्फ उनकी लाइफ का एक पार्ट है, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. तो आप एक बच्चे को डराओ मत एग्जाम से बिकॉज एग्जाम इज नॉट अ मॉन्स्टर. पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, बच्चे पे ना एग्जाम को एक मॉन्स्टर बना देते हैं. बच्चे एग्जाम है, ऐसा है, वैसा है, बच्चे डर जाते हैं. नो, let them be easy. Let them be easy with exams and see they are going to be successful. So tell them that exam is not a monster. You be easy with it. Be happy with whatever you do, whatever you study. जितना पढ़ लोगे, जितने मार्क्स ले आओगे, गुड, अच्छे हैं, बस फेल मत हो. At least be a first grade student, है ना? So that is basically the need for counseling before the board exams. Okay. So this can be taken as a counseling for you also. ये आपके लिए भी एक counseling ही है, ठीक है? Now the second example that we are going to take is you are Sameer and Sameera, a student of class 11th. Clean drinking water is important for health. Now write an article in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine about the importance of clean drinking water for a healthy life. Now आपको पता है, you all know, understand that clean drinking water is very important for health. Write an article in 150 to 200 words for your school magazine about the importance of clean drinking water for a healthy life. Now clean drinking water क्या है आपको पता है? You all need water. Water के बिना जिंदा रह सकते हैं? नहीं. Water is very important. And अगर आप contaminated water पियोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? आप बीमार हो जाओगे. There are so many waterborne diseases हैं इस दुनिया के अंदर. अगर आपको वो diseases हो गई, so it's going to deteriorate your health. So it's very important that the water you drink should be clean. So what is the importance of clean drinking water for health? So now this is the topic. And byline is what? It's given you are Sameer or Sameera, student of class 11th A. So byline में आप लिखोगे either write Sameer or write Sameera and class 11th. Now this topic I'm just going to read out. बहुत simple है. Water, water, water all around. And ये वो वाली चीज हो गई. Water, water, water everywhere and not a drop to drink. Right? अगर contaminate हो जाए तो. Now see, we all are aware how important clean drinking water is for a healthy life. It should be particularly free from any contamination with sewerage water. And as this can cause a variety of waterborne diseases, These can be what? Typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. If contaminated water is consumed, in serious cases, this may result in long-term disease like jaundice. No wonder that many suppliers of water make a living out of this. Our water supply organizations like the Jal boards and municipals should ensure that clean drinking water is supplied to all the homes through a water pipeline connection. Any leakage in the pipeline must be repaired without delay just to prevent contamination. Under no circumstances should sewer water be allowed to mix with the water going to household taps, and the filtration plant of the water supply utilities must function properly and their storage tanks must be cleaned. Okay, periodically, just to ensure that consumers of water do not fall ill. Let us all join to help them in this noble endeavor. Now let us join. Now let us join with this so that कि हम क्या कर सके, help them in this noble endeavor. So see, we all are aware that we should have clean drinking water if we want to live a healthy life. Clean drinking water means that it should be free from any kind of contamination, that is sewerage water especially, because contaminated water is going to lead to many waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. And if the contamination is in serious mode, then it can lead to a long-term disease like jaundice. But it is also important कि कुछ लोगों की तो living है इस contaminated water के through, they just make up their living out of it. But हमारे जो water supply organizations है, like what are the organizations which supply water? Jal boards and the municipal. It is their duty. In fact, ये उनकी duty है that they should supply us clean drinking water. ठीक है, through the water pipeline connections. Any leakage in the pipeline must be repaired without delay to prevent the contamination. कोई भी leakage हो ना pipelines में, it must be repaired. उसको repair करना चाहिए without any sort of delay just to prevent the contamination. इस contamination को prevent करने के लिए. Under no circumstances should sewer water be allowed to mix with the water going to household taps. Filtration plants होने चाहिए हमारे लिए. ठीक है, स्टोरेज टैंक्स को प्रॉपर्ली उनको चेक करना चाहिए that whether they are clean or not periodically, so that उसमें से पानी पी के the consumers of the water should not fall ill. Let us join all to help in this noble endeavor. So this is basically what it is, the clean drinking water important for health. Now the next topic that we are going to cover is again the topic of your interest. Now see, अब आप इन पैराग्राफ्स के अंदर इन आर्टिकल्स में आप एक चीज देख रहे हो, हाउ द फॉर्मेट इज बीइंग फॉलोड. नाउ सी, टाइटल एंड बायलाइन इज वन पार्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मेट. नाउ इट्स टोल्ड टू यू दैट आपको इसको 2 to 5 पैराग्राफ्स में लिखना होता है ना. दैट शुड इंक्लूड द इंट्रोडक्शन. तो आप दोनों अभी तक जो आपने टॉपिक्स पढ़े, यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में दोनों का इंट्रोडक्शन आ रहा है. It's not about the detail of the topic, it's just the introduction of the topic that we are going to cover here. ओके तो यहाँ पे क्या है, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ जो है वो इंट्रोडक्शन का. आफ्टर दैट जो है वो उसका कंटेंट है विच इंक्लूड्स द कंप्लीट बॉडी, दैट इज द फैक्ट एंड इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द टॉपिक. एंड एट लास्ट हर जगह पे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली और बहुत ही लॉजिकली इसको कंक्लूड भी किया गया है ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक. नाउ नेक्स्ट आता है अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, द टॉपिक ऑफ योर इंटरेस्ट. जस्ट सी इट. यस, कम ऑन. So we just cannot imagine life without our mobile phones, TV sets and other modern gadgets. Write an article on role of modern gadgets in 150 to 200 words. You are Rashi or Rishi. Now we all know, आज हम हैं, if I ask any of you, अगर मैं आप में से किसी से भी पूछूं that how many gadgets you use every day, morning to night तक आप कौन कौन से gadgets को use करते हो? Would anybody like to give me an answer? If this is a simple question put up to you that आप मॉर्निंग उठते हो and till sleeping night आप कौन कौन से गैजेट्स को यूज करते हो? What are the technical gadgets, digital gadgets जो आप पूरे दिन में यूज कर रहे हो? एक गैजेट तो अभी हम सब यूज कर रहे हैं, इनफैक्ट एक नहीं हम 2 गैजेट्स यूज कर रहे होंगे. Can I please know that what gadgets I am talking about? Will anybody like to tell me? Yes, Vinita will just let me know. Yes, Vinita.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून विनीता. वुड यू प्लीज लाइक टू टेल मी कि हम कौन कौन से गैजेट्स यूज कर लेते हैं? इनफैक्ट आप कौन से गैजेट्स यूज कर रहे हो, बताओ.
मोबाइल फोन,
Yes, very
पीसी।
true. Yes, and PCs, yes. And you must have been having a Bluetooth connected to your mobile phones, है ना? किसी के पास में एयरपोर्ट्स होते हैं, किसी के पास में नेक बैंड्स होते हैं, और सिंपली somebody is using a nice earphones, है ना? सेट ऑफ earphones, हेडफोन्स हो सकते हैं. So these are the many things. And उसके अलावा भी हम बहुत से गैजेट्स यूज करते हैं. मोबाइल फोन्स हो गए, है ना, डिजिटल और बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं. पीसीज हो गए, आईपैड्स हो गए, टैबलेट्स हो गए, तो आप बहुत सी चीजें यूज करते हो. सो ऑल दीज आर गैजेट्स. हमारी जो लाइफ है ना, दैट वाज वेरी सिंपल लाइफ, बट नाउ इट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली सिंप्लीफाइड. आवर लाइफ वाज वेरी सिंपल, बट नाउ to make it more simple and convenient, our life itself is electronically simplified. Now how come, let us do this topic and we should understand it in a more better way. So role of modern gadgets in our life. हमारी लाइफ में मॉडर्न गैजेट्स का क्या रोल है? बाय ऋषि. सो बाय लाइन इज हु? ऋषि. Now see, it is difficult to imagine a life without modern gadgets. Gadgets are electronically simplified applications that have been designed to make our life simple and convenient. The gadgets over the year have gained so much popularity and wide use that today they have become an integral part of our life. And it is difficult to go through a day without the help of these gadgets. Every day new gadgets are launched in the market with the sole purpose of serving us, and we became proud to own a few of these. Gadgets are very important for a modern family, and where both husband and wife are working and do not have much time at their disposal, gadgets come to their rescue and save a lot of time. On the flip side, gadgets जो हैं, they are responsible for making people engrossed in them and forgetting social etiquettes. So today we find that teens go berserk over the gadgets, and whenever they find something new, they don't get peace till they are able to check out the features in it. It is good to use gadgets in our lives, but to a certain limit only. And everyone must spend some time, some quality time with family members instead of being engrossed in mobiles or watching TV. So see, होता है ऐसा, हम लोग सब अभी टीवीज में इतने ज्यादा engrossed हो गए हैं कि हमारे पास हमारी फैमिली के लिए बाकी चीजों के लिए टाइम है ही नहीं. So see, ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया है to imagine our life without the modern gadgets. हमारे पास gadgets नहीं है. Can we imagine our life? No. Gadgets electronically simplified applications हैं that have been designed जिससे कि हमारी लाइफ बहुत ही सिंपल और कन्वीनियंट हो जाती है. Gadgets over the years इतने पॉपुलर हो गए हैं that उनका यूज जो है इट्स एक्सपेंडेड टू अ वाइडर लेवल एंड दे हैव बिकम एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. एंड ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया है टू गो थ्रू अ डे and it's without using a gadget, without the help of these gadgets. Every day new gadgets are launched in the market, ठीक है, but सबका sole purpose क्या है? Only one, to serve us, and we become proud if we owe a few gadgets. Gadgets are very important for modern family, especially वहां पे जहाँ husband and wife दोनों working है, उनके लिए बहुत टाइम नहीं होता है at their disposal, so gadgets उनके लिए एक rescue and बन जाते हैं, and it saves them lot of time. On the flip side, now everything is just like a coin. They have two sides, that is head and tail होता है ना. So everybody has one side and the other flip side also. So on the flip side, we can say that gadgets जो हैं वो responsible होते हैं for making people engrossed in them. Gadgets से responsible है वो people को ना अपने अंदर बिल्कुल फंसा लेते हैं in them and forgetting the social etiquettes. और उससे क्या हो रहा है? social etiquettes भूलते जा रहे हैं. Now you must have seen children, small children जो घर में मोबाइल लेके बैठे हैं. Earlier उनके घर में गेस्ट आते थे, children used to get सबसे ज्यादा हैप्पी होते थे कि हमारे घर कोई आए है, हमारे घर कोई आए है. अभी somebody came, mummy might be calling you कि आओ and wish your uncle, wish your auntie, but the child is busy in mobile phones. घंटों घंटों आप अपने रिलेटिव्स के पास बैठे रहोगे जो आपसे मिलने आए हैं, but your eyes packed up in your mobile phone. So on the flip side, we can say that gadgets are responsible. They are making people engrossed in them and forgetting social etiquettes. So today we find कि जो teenagers होते हैं, they go berserk. Berserk means they go crazy over the gadgets, and whenever they find something new, जब भी उनको कुछ नया मिलता है ना, they don't get peace till they are able to check out the feature of it. पीपल दोज हु आर द गैजेट क्रेजी वंस, तो उनको कुछ भी नया पता चल जाए ना, तब तक उनको शांति नहीं मिलती जब तक कि वो उसके नए वाले के सारे फीचर्स चेक ना करें. इट इज गुड टू यूज गैजेट्स इन आवर लाइफ. गुड है, अच्छा है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीजें हैं, टेक्निकल चीजें हैं. We have to move on with the science and technology. So using gadget is very good, nice, but to a certain limit, because excess of everything is bad. अति हर चीज की बुरी होती है. So अगर ये भी एक beyond limit हो जाएंगी चीजें, तो it's going to give us a bad effect. So, but to a certain limit, we should use it, and everyone must spend some quality time with the family members instead of being engrossed in mobile or watching TV. But we can say, and everyone must spend some quality time. हर किसी को ना अपनी फैमिली के साथ में quality time spend करना चाहिए with the family instead of being all the time busy and engaged in the mobile phones or watching TV. So this we can say is very beautifully described over here. तो ये भी हमारे साथ एक happen होता हुआ सा इवेंट है. So it is difficult thing कि हम gadgets के बिना अपनी life imagine भी कर पाए, और हम में से बहुत से लोग use भी कर रहे हैं. It actually makes our life and work simpler, and it's good to use them. But we should always keep in mind that along with these gadgets in our life, we also have a family to look after. So we should give some time, we should spend some quality time with the families too. And instead of being engrossed in mobile phones or watching TV. Okay. So देखा हमने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में how the introduction is given, and along with the introduction तो इसका पूरा कंटेंट शुरू हो गया, and it is very beautiful content. And देखो conclude उसको कैसे दिया है, with a suggestion, with an advice, the topic is concluded. Now this next topic, it's a very easy topic जो normally हम करते ही आ रहे हैं, तो इसको just I'll read it out. Every activity that man indulges in creates pollution and waste of some kind. In fact, the need of the hour is to reduce the pollution in all possible ways. Write an article on the topic reducing pollution's need of the hour. 150 to 200 words. You are Vrinda, an environmentalist. So topic क्या है? Reducing pollution, need of the hour. Byline is what? It's given Vrinda, an environmentalist. Now, 2 to 5 paragraphs का scene start हो गया. Introduction, content, and the conclusion. So see, introduction से देखो आप. Pollution is contamination of land, water, and air. It is increasing daily due to human activities performed in day-to-day life in order to live conveniently. Now, but this gradually leads to the dangerous depletion of the environment. Plastic used by man is a big nuisance because it causes pollution. इसीलिए थैलियां बंद कर दी जाती है ना, थैलियां बंद कर दो, पॉलिथीन बंद कर दो, सेलोफेन्स बंद कर दो, प्लास्टिक पेपर्स बंद कर दो. Why is this things done? इसीलिए किया जाता है because of this, एक simply जो हम बोलेंगे ना, dangerous depletion हो रहा है environment का. So it causes pollution, so it should be banned. Plastic never decays, कभी खत्म नहीं होता plastic. If we burn it, it pollutes the air we breathe. और अगर आपने सोचा कि वैसे तो नहीं decompose हो रहा, so let us burn it. तो आप कभी भी प्लास्टिक को burn करो, so bad, इतनी बुरी, इतनी foul smell that it is going to make difficult for you to breathe that air. ठीक है, it's going to pollute it. If we dump it in river or seas, it pollutes the water and kills the marine life. Chemical fertilizers are another source of pollution of land and water. And अगर हम उसे रिवर के आसपास डंप कर देते हैं तो क्या होगा? It's going to pollute and kill the marine life. ठीक है? And chemical fertilizers be another source of polluting of land and water. Now, in order to check pollution, जो polluted effluents थे from factories, they should be treated suitably before being disposed of in the water bodies. Now, plastic and other materials जो थे, they should be recycled wherever possible. New techniques should be adopted in motor vehicles to reduce pollution from the engine exhaust. Now, we should use environmentally safe cleaning liquid for use at home and other public places. To trap solid particulate matter emitted by chimneys, appropriate filters should be used. Lofty smokestacks should be built. Gases should be discharged through the exhaust pipes high in the air. Chemical industries should not be allowed to set up on the bank of the rivers. And in view of great danger to mankind, many countries in the world, including India, they have passed the laws to prevent pollution. but it has been seen that anti-pollution laws are not being obeyed rigorously, pushing pollution up to the new level. So what we studied, first of all, introduction, that what pollution is. It's the contamination of land, water and air. And why it's need of the hour, because it's going to pollute and kill all the kind of environmental life. And so it is not going to be conveniently be possible for us to live in such polluted environment. So there is a need that we should reduce this pollution. Now in order to check the pollution, what you have to do, आपको effluents को check करना है, ठीक है, आपको प्लास्टिक मटेरियल के डिस्पोजल को ध्यान देना है, आपको इंजन एग्जॉस्ट को देख टेक केयर करनी है, सेल्फ क्लीनिंग के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा फोकस करना पड़ेगा. Now to trap the solid particulate matter, what you have to do, आपको proper appropriate filters use करने हैं. You have to use the smokestacks, जो गैसेस का एक होता है, आउटलेट होता है, एग्जॉस्ट पाइप्स होती हैं, that should be so high in the air. It should be done through the exhaust pipe, but high in the air, तो so that कि आपके breathing atmosphere के अंदर वो polluted chemical polluted gases कम से कम आए. Now chemical industries जो है, they should not be allowed to set up on the banks of the rivers, ठीक है. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, वो रिवर के अंदर उनका सारा जो है वो होता है ना, लिक्विड एफ्लुएंट लिक्विड वेस्ट, वो सारा रिवर्स में हो जाएगा, मिक्स हो जाएगा, एंड वही रिवर वाटर तो हमारे पास में एज अ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर आता है. सो इट्स ऑल टुगेदर गोइंग टू पोल्यूट इट. सो इन व्यू ऑफ ग्रेट डेंजर टू मैनकाइंड, बहुत सी ऐसी कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया जिन्होंने पास किए हैं लॉज टू प्रिवेंट द पोल्यूशन, बट इट हैज बीन सीन कि जो एंटी पोल्यूशन लॉज हैं, दे आर नॉट बीइंग ओबेड रिगरसली, उन्हें ओबे नहीं किया जा रहा है, एंड इट्स पुशिंग द पोल्यूशन अप टू अ न्यू लेवल. ओके, एक नई लेवल पे ही हमारा पोल्यूशन का स्केल जा रहा है. So this was, I can say, these were the few examples, and I hope you understand them well. Beautiful examples. So the class is going to get over. So if there is any doubt, आप पूछ सकते हो. Yes, if there is any doubt. Okay, so everything is clear to you all. So this is all we can say for our class today, and we'll meet tomorrow with a new topic. Okay, take care of yourself.